Hello, fellow rosarians. Thank you for joining me today. The rose that I want to share with you this morning is called Désirée Parmentier. I'm sure that my pronunciation is not great, but look at that pretty color on that. I've got some proliferation there. Wouldn't that be pretty on in a vase? All of these have a little bit of proliferation, and that's where the stamens there go a little wonky. But I really like this color, and I think it looks beautiful mingling with the Nepeta. So I'm gardening in zone 8A in a very high humidity, and I look for roses that are black spot resistant. So far, I think that this one is black spot resistant, but we'll continue to watch it this season and see if it stays clean. Thanks so much for joining me, rosebuds. I'll see you in the next video.